Baby, I'm back by popular demand.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You're watching your girl Simone, and on today's video, you read it right, we're doing an unboxing. Your girl got her hands on a telly, so if you're new, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. That's right, you read the title correctly. I finally got my hands on a telly. If you don't know what a telly is, girl, where have you been? Telly is a Telfar bag. It is a black owned designer with cute little mini bags. They range from small to large. They also have hats, belts, and other paraphernalia. So I recently did their secured bag plan, and I purchased a bag, I want to say either last year or the beginning of this year. It feels like last year, and I just recently got it here in the end of September, I want to say. And so I'm doing a unboxing for you guys. I will be back later on with a review of the bag. I just didn't feel like it was fair to kind of critique a bag that I just got, so I wanted to wear it a couple times and then give you my honest review. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some music over it and, you know, go ahead and let you guys see me unbox the video. I will say I like it so far, and the quality of the bag is really nice. But without further ado, introducing her. Oh, how does it go? Ladies and gentlemen, her. Thanks for being a loyal subscriber, and thanks for watching. Comment down below if you already have a telly. Let me go ahead and hit that notification bell as well so you are notified when I post new videos. Again, I try to upload new videos every Monday and Thursday. No particular time frame currently because life has been getting the best of me, but you know, stick with me because I like talking to you guys and I'm still learning. It's kind of been a journey for me, but yeah, until next time, remember to what? Say it with me, ladies. Stay blessed, stay true, stay you. And as always, peace.